taupe, dynamic orange and navy blue. It has 16MP main camera plus 8MP wide-angle camera plus 2MP mono camera plus 2MP mono rear camera. It has beauty selfies and 16MP front. It has photo video panorama portrait night scenes and time-lapse photography. It comes with 4015 mAh massive lithium polymer battery and 30 watts boot flash. It has 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory 3-card slot and 256GB Nano Plus Nano. It supports dual standby. It also features gravity sensor, dual SIM and distance sensor. Supports raise to wake and Reno feed pedometer, physical gyroscope and GPS. The delivery box contains handset, adapter, and data cable. SIM card ejector tool, earphones and quick start guide and warranty card.